mislukt.
Let's see if we can stop the squeaking. This rotor is bad, so I got a new one. Let's get the track off and change the rotor out.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.
So after milking and eating, let's see if I can get the track back on alone.
Don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Then we can live a better day. From the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live.
So this is the joystick of the excavator. And with that button you could switch between swinging the whole machine or only swinging the boom. But yeah, it doesn't work anymore. So I made this open. So now I have to find the wire, and I think I put a switch in here somewhere. So I found the wire, which goes to this button in the joystick. So let's see if there's a relay behind it, or it functions just with the switch. swing the whole machine. Swings only the boom. Again, only the boom. So there is a relay. So I know what kind of button I need. So I got this switch. I think I will build it in here. So need to make a hole. I need some other connectors. So let's see. Swing the machine. Swing the boom. It works. That's not good. Let's see if we can fix it. The bolt holding the handle, which the bolt goes over there, is missing. So then it goes in too deep and you can't pull it into the float position. It needs to be up higher, so like that, and then it clears over there. So it's a bolt with a point on it because it needs to catch over there. So let's see if we can make one.
Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you.
fixed it.